Hi you guys. Hey y'all, good morning. So y'all, I am back. I have braids in. There's so much that's happened over the last month and a half. I ain't been on here, but here I am, y'all. I'm actually about to take a shower, but I forced myself to go ahead and just start vlogging now, just so that I can hold myself accountable. My camera is fucked up, so truthfully it's not the funnest time vlogging with a broke camera, but you know, I'm just trying to keep going. But anyway, I'm about to take a shower. I just wanted to kind of start the vlog off here. I'm gonna actually do this one and actually not just film and not edit and post. I'm actually gonna take the time out to dedicate to my YouTube channel again. I'm sorry y'all, it's been rough ever since Vlogmas. I just been thrown off, but I'm ready to come back and recuperate. No, what's the word? Retaliate? No, it's not even the word either. The word that I'm trying to look for is the word to, I'm back, I'm refreshed, rejuvenated, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, there's something wrong with like the brightness coming in from my window, so I'm just trying to make sure that I don't look pale. But anyway, I will see y'all in a little bit. I'm going to get ready, and I don't know where I'm going today, but hopefully somewhere to do something fun. And yeah, so I hope that y'all have missed me, and I am back to bring y'all some nice content. And if you're new here, subscribe, sis, because that really does motivate me, because over the last few weeks I've been seeing so many like subscriptions come in, and now y'all, we're at 902. And that just means so much to me, because people are still fooling with me even though I haven't been the most consistent. So I really appreciate all of y'all. And if you're new, come stay a while. I'll make sure I do y'all right. And yeah, I need to get my eyebrows done. Maybe I'll do that today. I need to go to the bank. My nephew's coming up here today, and this week I'll just be working, but this may be like a week-long vlog or just today's vlog. I don't know, we'll see. But sit tight and I'll talk to you after the shower. Hey y'all, I'm about to do my makeup real quick. I need to get my eyebrows done like yesterday. Like, they are so out of line. Camera is so jacked up. Alright y'all, so I'm dressed. My mirror is dirty. I just have on this little teal crop top, some jeans, and some booties with my trench coat from that was thrifted, and I'm about to leave. So I just wanted to show y'all my little outfit before we do. I think I look super cute, and we're gonna leave now and go see what the day has in store. I feel like I look super cute. I'm about to go show Trish. She's gonna be like, oh, you look cute. Watch. Yeah, Dream went out like 2 hours ago, so he should be okay till we get back. And yeah, can't wait to eat. Y'all, we're at some brunch place. We're walking and we're talking. Y'all, I hope it's not a wait. So we're going to this place called Expectation. I think they're doing outside. I feel like it's gonna be a wait. We're going to this place right here, and I don't want to put my mask on because it's gonna mess up my lip gloss, but this is the place right here. I need to put my mask on real quick. I've been seeing people come here, and I wanted to come to see what it's like, but I haven't looked at the menu, so hopefully it's good. I do not want to put this on.
Huh?
I do not want to put this on.
Come on.
I'm gonna mess them up. Hi. Did you
remember your name on the way, please?
Yes. Do you know how long?
Yeah, it's about like an hour.
Okay.
That's fine.
Alright. So y'all, I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts. We're going to Dunkin' Donuts because there's gonna be an hour wait. Hopefully we can do inside seating. But whatever one comes first is what we'll do. It's cold out here. This Dunkin' Donuts looks nice, at least. Oh my god. It's cold.
What you fucking mean?
Y'all like my turtleneck? Do you know my you know what my favorite color is? No. Huh? This color I have on.
I know damn teal.
This.
Not teal.
What the hell is it then? Teal. What is it? Is this teal, y'all? Comment down below. My turtleneck.
That's not teal, that looks green.
You wow. You are so. He's trying to slay me. That is wild.
That's terrible.
This is teal. It's blue and green mixed.
That is not teal. That's more like a hunter green.
You want to compare colors? Because I don't think you're right.
Teal.
Not teal.
What color is teal? That is not that.
That? You missed that. You missed that. Yeah. You're trying to go over the color.
No.
No.
That's too dark to be teal.
I'm sorry, sweetie, but you're wrong.
You're wrong.
Alright. Wrong, you're wrong. It's okay. We always can't be right.
Exactly.
And in this moment,
Just
you're
accept
wrong.
it.
You're wrong. There's two people right in this world.
And it's me.
Just check your place in line. We will text you when your table is ready. At least that's good to know she got the right number. We went to that night we went to dinner with my family and stuff. They had the wrong number.
So y'all never went.
So we had to call them. We were waiting. They were like, oh, we were waiting for y'all for 20 minutes. I'm like, no, he didn't. And they had the last 4 digits wrong. Ain't that wild?
Ain't it?
Isn't it? What you gonna get? You want some?
Okay.
No, we cannot eat. We about to go in there and eat. You gonna talk about a bagel? We're only gonna get drinks, okay?
Ooh.
Okay.
Who said that?
Me, us. We made a unit decision. Y'all, what kind of music y'all be listening to nowadays? Let me know if y'all have any suggestions for me so I can download it to my playlist. Because I need some new music. I'm tired of playing the same stuff. What?
The shots. They got whipped cream in them.
What shots?
I don't know.
At Expectation?
They got shots at Expectation.
I'm asking you, what you talking about?
I don't know. I ain't not playing.
What are you?
My bitch.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
I don't know either.
I thought that's what you were saying. Alright, y'all. I need to take this coat off, but I feel like it's stuck under my butt. Give me a minute. I'll pick y'all back up.
Oh, that.
This is a long wait. I don't got the patience.
While we going though.
Hi, can I get 2 tall hot white mochas?
Sure, will that be all for you?
Can I get those with 5 pumps of white mocha?
Okay.
And then a grande ice water with extra ice, and that's it.
Okay, that'll be $9.44.
Thank you.
When I know you got it. Yeah.
If it's quite alright, I need you, baby.
God damn.
What's that song?
It's just too good to be true.
It's like da da da. Did you play that right?
Play what?
It'd be like da 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 da. Yeah, it was on earlier. No?
Da 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 da.
Yeah, it was like da da da.
Whose song is it?
I don't know. All I know is like sounds. I don't know the
Is
word.
that the beat? Da 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 da?
Yeah, but it goes like they say it. They literally say da 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 da.
I didn't play anything like that.
You did.
No, I didn't. Be confused.
No, you literally, it was like da 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 da. No.
Not at all. It's not a gym class here or something.
I think so. Y'all, our table is ready. We got back literally 1 minute after getting the thing that said that they was ready. Hopefully it's inside. So I don't really want to sit outside. So I'm hoping we get to sitting inside. But I told her whichever one was first available. So we'll see. My lip gloss is gone. Like I knew it would be. It is. Thank you.
Right.
Hi.
What's the name?
Bill.
You said you want to make that workout or you already did?
We already did.
We just got a message that said that the table was ready.
Oh, they probably just removed it, but I can restore your party and they can like give you the next available table.
What happened?
So they called you like 10 minutes.
Y'all, our table was ready and then they gave our table up. So now we're waiting again. Like crazy people. Because apparently because we didn't come within 10 minutes, they gave our table up. And now I have an attitude because why the freak would y'all give up our table when we clearly had to wait an hour for y'all, but y'all can't wait 10 minutes for us. I have an attitude. Hopefully it's not too much longer. She said 5 minutes, it's been like 10.
Cosmo. I appreciate that. I didn't make it myself, but it's alright. I'm gonna bring you guys some water. Anything besides water to start off with, guys? Orange juice sounds good. Anything for you, ma'am? You need a second with the menu? There are a couple options on there.
Can I get a Mai Tai?
Mai Tai? Yeah, we can do that.
Alright y'all, so we're finally seated. I'm just trying to find something to eat. So this is the menu. Table smell like this table.
What you gonna get?
It's in my throat. Smell it.
Wait a minute. Why would I do that?
It's literally like the fumes, me being like this.
Put your back into it. Go ahead.
Literally, and I don't want to call people gonna think I got corona. It's literally in my throat. 3 tacos, a bacon and sausage, and a chorizo and flour tortillas filled with nope.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Right?
Yeah.
Perfect. It'll be coming up in just a second, okay?
Thank you.
Of course. I'll be bringing ketchup right to you, sir.
I got Belgian waffle and some chip beef on the side. You want to try it? What'd you get?
I got a more dip.
What's that
Steak and
sauce?
cheese with
Did he,
a
you know what
I
sauce
have
it is?
no idea.
I think he said aioli, right?
I got it.
And then
He told me
This is it. Y'all, he's so mean to me. I used to love this.
You don't love it?
No, I do. I just haven't had it in like forever. What?
It's your first bite.
I already been biting it. It's hot. Okay.
Everything tastes okay so far, guys?
Thank you.
My pleasure, guys. Anything else, just let me know, all right?
I ate most of this. I am probably gonna leave it here though because I don't want to take it. The grilled onions or grilled potatoes, they were good. I definitely catch up.
Stole my ketchup. Right. Telling the truth.
This was good, but I feel like it could have been hotter, but it was good. I think I could have got pepper or something to make it a little bit better. Somebody ate all day food. He left some bread though. Alright y'all, we're about to leave. We just finished eating. We're about to go and get my nails done. I don't know where we're going after this. We all coming with us. Hey y'all, we are back home. Me and TJ are about to go out and walk dreams. Hi, you haven't seen him in so long. Say I gotta go party. Hi, sweet. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Hi. Hi, Dee. Yeah. Come on, Tay. My lip is dry now, for real, for real. Oh, my camera's dying. Hey y'all, my camera's dying, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for tuning into another vlog with me. And I hope that you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for being supportive and consistently watching. Even though I'm not consistent with y'all, I'll do better, I promise. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.